Hello kids, let's learn about shapes. In this video, we are going to see about 2D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes have two dimensions, length and width. Circle. Circle has no sides, no vertices, and it has a curved line. Triangle. Triangle has three sides, three vertices, and has a straight lines. Pentagon. Pentagon has five sides, five vertices, and equal straight lines. Hexagon. Hexagon has six sides, six vertices, and equal straight lines. Square. Square has four sides, four vertices, and straight lines. Rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four vertices, and opposite sides are equal. Octagon. Octagon has eight sides, eight vertices, all sides can be equal. Trapezoidal. It has four sides, four vertices, and one pair of parallel sides. Pentagon. Pentagon has five sides, five vertices, and all sides can be equal. Heptagon. Heptagon has seven sides, seven vertices, and all sides can be equal. Semicircle. Semicircle has one curved edge, one straight edge, and no vertices. Ellipse. Ellipse has one curved, closed shape, no sides, and no vertices. Bye kids! Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe Passport TV for more such videos. Tada!